Do me a favor. Close your eyes and think about the busiest days in your shop. There's probably cars lined up, phones ringing off the hook, and your techs moving fast to keep up. Now imagine doing all that on your own. Doing it all yourself just wouldn't work, which is exactly why your team is the most valuable asset your shop has. Let's talk about why your team is the most important part of your shop's success, not just one person. It's easy to focus on key performance indicators like sales or returning customers to measure success. They matter, but without the right people in your service bays, those numbers don't mean much. A strong team should form the foundation of everything in your shop. Your team shouldn't be looked at as just a group of employees. It should be considered a unit working together towards the same goal. For independent shops like yours, resources are limited and everyone wears multiple hats. And it's that sense of togetherness that keeps the doors open and your business growing. A well-trained, cohesive team minimizes downtime and prevents mistakes, meaning customers will come back in droves because of the trust that they have for you. Shops that invest in their own people see better workflow and higher morale, which translates to stronger customer relationships and more consistent profits. As the owner or team leader, you need to set the tone. Listen, you'll never find an exact copy of yourself when looking for employees or hiring. It's natural to want the best for your shop, but no one will see the business the way that you do. Instead of chasing what you may see as perfection, focus on potential. Hire people with the right attitude and willingness to learn, and create an environment where they can grow into high performers. That shift in mindset turns hiring from a search for a perfect fit into an opportunity to build the right fit. When you invest in training and create a culture of trust and collaboration, you're building a team that can carry the business into the future, even after you're gone. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.